dust devil out there. All right, Murray Hill Farms. We're gonna make a stop over here. Eat your colors. Hi, Tim. Hi, Shane. Hi, Zay. Bye. So these are Indio mandarin pots. Wow, they got a jumping place. Bunch of beautiful stuff. Let's go see what's going on. Animal garden. Let's go look and see what's in here. Wow, looks like a fun place. It's like a Robinson Crusoe hangout. Balls in here. See if you can make your duck move. I think you got to put it like, there you go. Now do it. Keep pumping it.
Yeah, go for it.
Some duck races. Yeah, he sure is too. Look at him. Oh, wow. Say hi to these little baby guys. They're so cute.
That's Debbie Shai. She's a very sweet little person. She's full grown.
Oh, you got one of it.
One on bottom, one on top.
Well, how about more?
These are chukar partridges. I don't think you can see them very well. It's kind of dark. Look at that turkey. He is so beautiful. He's so big and grand. There's a peacock back there too.
Do you guys want to feel how heavy he is?
Yeah.
Oh, here, look.
He's really heavy.
Okay, so go ahead and pick it. Okay, next time wait until I help you, babe. All right, so we're at Murray Family Farms, and there's a strawberry patch here out behind the petting zoo and all that, and we paid like $5.99 to get in, and she said you can go out to the field and pick and eat as many as you want, and there's no sprays, they're all organic, and so this is kind of fun. So we're just kind of, all right. Oh, these taste so amazing. Tell you what, I'm just eating my fill of these beautiful strawberries, and they're so good. Again. Whoa, looks like fun.
Today, I'm going to show you